mahal. Nung bata ako, dahil sa kakanood ko ng TV, sabi ko, ang pinorm kong ideal man is someone na kamukha ni na Richard Gutierrez sa Mulawin, kamukha nung mga nasa Mexican telenovela. Pero hindi ko alam, nakita ko na pala siya. Kahit nung batang-bata pa ako, at matatawa yung iba dito, pero yung nakilala ko, hindi Richard Gutierrez, hindi Piolo Pascual, kundi si Pipito Manaloto. Yung qualities mo that made me think na ikaw talaga yung para sa akin is una sa lahat, you're very patient, you're very loyal. Hindi ako nagkaroon ng problem or whatsoever with you. Lagi lang ako natatawa. Nakikita pa lang kita sa umaga, natatawa na ako.
Sa haba-haba ng prosesyon at sa haba-haba ng buhay, kapag nakapokus ka sa isang bagay, hindi mo napapansin, nasa tabi mo lang pala ang iyong katadhana.
My dearest Grace, simula nung una tayong nagkita, nalaman ko nang sa puso ko na I found its home. For 13 years, you've been my palagi, my joy, and the reason my heart smiles every day.
Ngayon at kailanman
Ariel Grace, did you come here with your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Naroroon ako tuwing na aasahan mo tuwing na.
And I'm very thankful na binigay ka ni Lord sa akin. You are one of my greatest blessings.
Dahil kaya sa'yo na maitadhanang ako'y
John Niger Luis, did you come here with your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
upang ngayon at kailanman ikaw ay mapaglingkuran?
Alam mo naman, we lost our moms early on in life and we had to navigate through adulthood and everything else na tayo lang talaga yung magkasangga. And I'm very, very thankful na ikaw yung kasama ko to face all of those challenges and all of those changes in life.
Bawat araw ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo liyag, lalong tumatamis, tumitingkad. Bawat kahapon ay daig nitong bawat ngayon, nadaig ng bawat bukas.
Sa iyo, hindi lang my partner, but my best friend, my biggest supporter, and the love of my life. I vow to always stand by you as you have stood by me through every challenges and triumph. You've never failed to amaze me with your strength, your kindness, and your ability to make me laugh even the most difficult moments.
Ang mundo'y magunaw na hanggang doon magwawakas. Pag-ibig kong sadyang wagas.
You are my first and last love, and with you, I know that we will grow old together.
Bawat araw ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo liyag, lalong tumatamis, tumitingkad. Bawat kahapon ay daig nitong bawat ngayon.
Balang araw, magkaroon din tayo ng mga maliliit na Nigel at Ariel na alagaan natin. And I promise to be a good wife, a good mother to our children. At alagaan kita, hindi kita iiwan ng maaga. Sabay tayong tatanda, ipagdadasal natin yan. I love you.
You are my forever, my everything, and I will continue to fall deeper in love with you each and every day.